Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to Learn English PK. Today's video is about the summary of chapter number 2, My Beloved Pakistan. A summary is a short, clear version of a lesson that captures the main idea in fewer words. In this video, you will see a summary written in 3 paragraphs, enriched with quotations and transitional devices, making it exam friendly and easy to learn. Now let's see how this summary helps you in exams. It's not just about shortening the lesson, it teaches you how to write with clarity and confidence. Quotations make your answers authentic, while transitional devices like at the outset, furthermore, and in the end give your writing a natural flow. When you learn this style, your summaries become easier to memorize and far more impressive in exams. Now you can see the complete summary on your screen. Read it carefully and notice how quotations are blended naturally with transitional devices. This summary is written in 3 clear paragraphs, short, authentic, and easy to memorize. Practice writing it in your own words and use these quotations to make your summary stand out. Dear students, you have now completed the summary of My Beloved Pakistan. Revise it regularly, memorize it with quotations, and practice writing it using transitional devices. This will help you earn excellent marks and express your love for Pakistan beautifully. May Allah bless our homeland with unity and progress. Don't forget to subscribe to Learn English PK, like this video, and share your feedback in the comment section. Your support inspires me to create more helpful lessons for you.